Tuesday, October 4th, 2016, on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV Channel 98, on top of Go TV Cable, Star Times Channel 195, My TV Channel 17, and those when they're online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Also, we're there on top of where all you need to do now to just turn your antenna small on top of UHF 57, and you're going to get us live and direct for Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. We'll come again with that Obonga politics discussion show, As E Dey Hot, where we're going to hit you from left to right with all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We're going to discuss the matter from A to Z. Give you license to chook out this and talk about the way the TBU for body, so that those who the leaders go hear the voice of God in the voice of the people and do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now is Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu, where let's take concerning politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now the same program. When our program As E Dey Hot now we don't carry coming away. We'll go give now all the information of what did happen for Bodo Nigeria. And today we'll go different, but also I'll carry enter into another line of interesting issue. We say we all need to also do it in put mouth join, because it concerns everybody. We will open our phone line with that time reach. So now also if you contribute now one quarter to the whole talk we will talk about. My name never to change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now As E Dey Hot.
We don't go waste time, we will go straight into our discussion. And this is because of something we go happen by 11 a.m. today inside Abuja. You get one committee that is joint body of people. When we say, Oga Presido don't look, come talk, say, okay, time don't reach for us to change certain things when they inside our law book to allow for balance. And this committee, they call them the Constitutional and Electoral Reform Committee. And Oga Presido don't select some people under the leadership of former Senate President Ken Namani. Say, when they gather together, may they look into the way when we say, they do election inside our Bodo Nigeria and how our constitution, they allow the thing to operate so that we will get free and fair elections. And situation when we say, people know going to do badness inside election for inside our country. But some people come and talk say, this particular committee where you they set up, why it be say we they continue in the culture of setting up committees inside of Bodo Nigeria rather than consolidate, that is make we score plenty points on the good things we don't achieve. We go one start all over again, cancel them, come they talk say one they build again. People come and talk say for 2015 Professor Atahiru Jega leave INEC with 2 strong legs for ground, but since Professor Mahmoud Yakub don't take over, it be like say INEC don't get new name, aka inconclusive election. They come talk say the Justice Mohammed Wise report and the one when we say they gather together for 2014 under the leadership of Justice Idris Kutigi, say when they look all these ones first before they look say they want to set up new ones. So it be like say Oga Presido, you don't want to give credit to the past administration. That's why you want to arrange new things every time. But that book come and talk say we need electoral reform inside our country. Say if you check the one we say election don't go, the one will happen for Bayelsa, the one will happen for Kogi, the one will happen for Rivers, other places where it just be like say we don't fit conclude election. Say when they take these things easy, make we ensure say we get strong elections inside of Bodo Nigeria. And at the question when we ask on top of As E Dey Hot, say this particular arrangement of joint body of people, is it a waste of time or now something when they on point? We will go this small break. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue the discussion based on As E Dey. I don't go complete time because it go hot. Will they come?
Yes, and welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot. Chukwudi Studio Studios. What will they talk about? Will they look Electoral Reform Committee where Oga Presido set up? Because when they ask the question, she now waste have been on point because following this reform, because they ask this question, okay, over time we don't get committees where we say they don't do it, they don't do it and gather their information, put them up. But then this information what they talk about, they never still implement them. A typical example now, the Justice Waste Committee, where they set up, where we say in the end it tender the result of that committee. Why they never implement that one? We can also get successful electoral achievement under Atahiru Jega. Why we not also follow that man too? But under this leadership of Oga Buhari and under this leadership of a new INEC chairman, that is Oga Yakub Mahmoud, you just like now inconclusive election with all the witness. Now this committee what they talk about now, they don't set where Oga Presido don't set. Now you go bring the lasting solution to electoral issues. I be make them do it, make them complement on the previous this way they don't lay down. So at least make we know where they go, because committee every time committee. Now the way forward be that I be make we just find a lasting solution. Now the question what they ask, and by the time we establish them, we open our phone lines for us to do it to also call and contribute on the issue.
Whether we like them or not, it's very important to point out, say, election are very important thing when we say must happen for inside the country, because now the only process or the only action when we say the people they come out together choose those when we say go represent them. And going into the 2015 general elections, a lot of Nigerians been they fear, because so many people from outside and even inside the country, they look say, the way when we say the competition for the election is strong, where it be like say the matter will go upside down. But Professor Atahiru Jega, with the experience when he don't gather over the years when we say he lead into the 2015 general elections, in conduct elections when we say plenty Nigerians feel beat their chest. For the first time in a long while, we see action when we say person when we say they inside power for the federal level, we lose election, come hand over peacefully, give the person when we say a major opposition party when win the election. But under this particular dispensation, it just be like say everything don't come there different, because it can't be like say we don't even feel INEC when conduct 2015 general election for the full country, no fit conduct election for inside state. Rivers, some state for Nigeria no get senators because they never agree to the election. Rivers senators no complete today because INEC no fit conduct election for that particular place. Some people they talk say okay, that desperation on the part of political parties to win election by all means. Other people they talk say INEC when they conduct themselves be like say they're not even ready. In fact, some people don't fault the fact that Oga Presido appoint somebody as acting chairman of INEC when we get situation when we say person commot as chairman in time don't complete, he commot as chairman, he can't put somebody talk say when this person they act. And some people didn't really talk about the way when we say that they form the body of INEC, say till today the thing never complete, say what thing this Oga Presido they do, they don't say this thing go slow, the thing don't reach the level when we say it go be like say Nigeria they in trouble. And I recall about 2 weeks ago the people for Senate they come out and complain say 2019 is going to be a dangerous year for Nigeria if we continue like this. How would they do election when we say that people they choose those when they go represent? It can't be like say we know they go anywhere. What Oga Presido they do? Is he sleeping? Mohammed Uwais in report day. The one when they do for 2014, the thing still day. Now we won't start another committee again. How can we move from say we do election where for 2015? It can't be like say we don't even cause a big do election again. Now we won't come to electoral reform.
Chukwudi, the issue when we get issue with this particular thing, say there are other sensitive issues where we feel we're supposed to address rather than say we they look committee. And make also look and say, okay, a successful under the previous leadership, I was state time. Atahiru Jega did a very nice job where we say Nigerians are go admit to. But then what stops our Oga from saying, okay, Nana de power, if not just one or two small things I want to change them, we could continue in that same system. Because let us also look at it. What they call the inconclusive elections where we get right now. Chukwudi don't highlight some very important things. Say if not things where we say we need to adjust. Okay, put the right people where they there. Okay, fill up the this thing, the cabinet or the people who are supposed to handle that responsibility. Make we know where they head from. But committee where they set up now. This committee go chop money. It will be funded. I don't know how long this committee will last. The previous committee will get, where we say they don't present their own this thing, good, very good electoral cases. Nobody has even said anything about them. Nobody even talk say, okay, make we ensure say we implement this one. We can't set up on top again. Just like say you carry block, say you want build up, you can't put block. You know cement them to join up with the next one they put. Just carry another block, put on top. What did you say go happen to the lands? It will collapse. So make we just know where to the drive at.
Very, very true. It go good make we know the direction when they go.
Oh, I shock you, Abisa.
What you say you shock?
I shock you say I not just agree with this
what
one.
What do you want to?
Because the way it takes since Chukwudi.
Since I don't begin they fire you on top of party out here, you don't ever agree anything.
No, from this man.
No, since I don't fire you don't agree anything.
After I talk, say Chukwudi just they look me see.
Of course, you don't feel defend them now. You don't feel defend them.
Because
you don't feel defend them. And people don't already they beg me say the way when me say they fire you, sometimes you they look helpless. Because yes,
you will look helpless.
You of course you really look helpless.
You will look helpless.
We there here.
You will look helpless.
We don't talk about bag of price. We don't talk about minimum wage.
See, mind the kind of language you use for me.
Budget. We don't talk about different things.
No, that times I go look like helpless.
I don't fire you, rich.
I don't helpless. Don't miss it out of this chair.
No space to fire you.
I need space.
No space to fire you for your body again. Where I won't start from.
You don't do.
Only one when I don't tell you since you be like who need massage because I don't hit you.
Then go hit you.
I can't begin the
mind is
so you for come out here talk say no this reform is good. Make them continue. Make them do it. When under the former president, good luck. I go use his name sing. Good luck.
Please, we don't want that. We don't want that. Let's go hit the hammer on the nail. No,
but the name sound like music. And it's my
the people who take and sing in the end, what they provide for them.
At the end, we see free and fair election.
Forget the name. Let us address this issue.
We see any fight.
We'll talk better thing.
We know they buy bag of rice at some point for one particular amount. Not even let me go back home because the moment you start, I've been taught say I go escort you small.
I don't like this.
You can't come and call the change.
Anytime when we talk, no they bring it.
We not feel complete.
No they bring it bag of rice.
Now, if we even do words and synonyms, they say beautiful, pretty, intelligent, smart, INEC, inconclusive. Now one thing they don't they add inside they teach children for inside school. Inconclusive. Every election, just one election for one state, una no even feel
the last one they don't finish.
Which last one they finish? When people see they go, they sit down and now they talk say even hear G say some people write say the one we see for here different from the one we call announce. Make Supreme Court decide first. Leave that one like that. But when they talk, we say the right of the people. Something when we say good luck about Jonathan using like stand. Say we must have one man one vote. We must get that for inside this Nigeria. The Mohammed Weiss report 2008 after they do election for 2007 Professor Maurice Iwu when they talk say even the person when win the election admit say he be like say monkey and enter inside the election they come set up committee do finish the president that time good luck Ebele Jonathan he implement that
you don't do
you don't see the way election
you don't do
Anambra election Edo election Ekiti election Osun election even opposition win Abga and win Anambra
you don't do
no be Abga win Anambra
you don't do now
ACN I win Edo
no talk about this no talk about this one
PDP I win Ekiti no be PDP win Ekiti
wait
ACN I win Osun no be them win Osun
what is your problem you don't do I don't hear
we can't do election we can't do election for 2015 see as the way when the election take go
the reason why they talk this thing here why they set up committee don't get before why not compliment on that one make we move forward these are not the kind of issues you're supposed to be addressing you go make me this young man here because they just talk to me anyhow okay president now I mean you should know now.
You never even start because he talk, you go here until 2019. You never, this is just 2016 and they complain say that they talk to you. You will hear it in 2019. Yeah. If before 2019, you be like, now go your tire. Talk say, I beg you don't do. Shebu na won't say national asset. Una will carry phone call. Morio, una will call Morio. Hello, Morio. Can you come and manage Nigeria for us? Una go Louis Van Gaal dey find club. Una won't sell assets.
So Nigeria don't become club now.
No be una won't sell assets. No, be una won't sell assets.
No, Nigeria.
Mikel.
No, Chukwudi don't look at me. Mikel, they turn us into club. We say everybody can afford to come and buy.
Mikel, una go sell am. National, whichever una won't sell everything now. They go even sell you. They will sell you. In fact, where can they sell you to? Let me even look where go fit you. It's all like Somalia. Look, Somalia.
Your life. We're no longer in that slavery era. Slavery era. They say your life. If you want to attach me to a country, attach me to countries that are developed, countries that we say at least they are ahead, they hot when it comes to knowing how to advance.
Thank you.
I don't. I resemble one fighter.
So you open your eye now. You no wan go Somalia. Una go open una eye, wan sell our national assets.
Just respect yourself.
Una even dey talk of selling LNG. When they even see the free money.
Enough of you.
Okay, let me change it.
I don't want anything from you.
Let me give you another country.
I don't want. Why do I look like a slave to you?
What about Rwanda or Burundi? Burundi go fit you. Burundi, Nkubi, Burundi, he go fit you. Don't worry. And Nkubi, if you go Burundi, then they find principal. Then they find principal or minister for education. You go become their minister for education.
I talk my own for national TV now. You don't do. Just respect yourself. This we want to talk so we'll drag her to this.
Oh, okay. May I give you foreign country?
You don't hear what? You don't do.
I don't give you foreign country.
You don't do.
Iraq.
You don't do. You don't do.
Why they threaten me?
And they draw here for you now.
Why they threaten me?
Who started the threat?
Now the same thing one I do.
Who started the threat?
No. Complete election. Now no complete election for some states. You know if you threaten people when no complete election. Now me you call it threatening. Me when they defend the Nigerian people.
Leave me out of this.
Leave you out of what?
Our issue here is to
committee. Every time when they set up committee. Before they set up committee.
Not be part system of this government right from ancient of days.
Why not continue? Committee. One day when I go call meeting everybody for this country. we go sit down. Maybe they go do it for National Stadium. 80,000, all of us go sit down. We go, everybody one microphone. We go talk with him be our problem. Shebu na define committee. Committee. So this is they sound like music. Committee. Now in the sweet now.
I'll leave here for you.
Why will you can't leave?
Because
until 2019, you are not living anywhere.
No, I mean right now, I'll leave here for you.
You can't leave.
I'll walk out of this place.
How we go take 28 states? Now election happen. When we say presidential election, the way when we say people vote.
But the way I even ask you now, may I ask you this question? In as much as we talk, say yes, the previous reforms or committee with them set up under Ways and Kutigi, say somehow, say they never implement them. Okay, we can also look at if paraventure.
You don't turn Nigeria to Baba Jebu now. If paraventure.
This committee where Oga Ken
we get person on top of our telephone line.
He can't be say the committee can't carry a better work. They can't implement it.
We get Dora on top of our telephone line.
Madam Dora, good morning, Jerry.
They even they change voice. I tell you say na Dora.
Madam Dora, good morning.
I tell you say na Madam. If na young girl, uncle.
Hold on, let me she talk first now. Good morning, Dora.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How I did now?
You did fine. See the kind of voice where they call Madam. See young girl voice.
Weekend and Democracy Day.
Yeah, okay, we show you the same.
Please, I am calling to
Madam Dora, is it there?
Okay, honestly, you guys are doing very well.
Thank you very much.
My problem here is inconclusive election that we are having in Nigeria, just like what happened in Edo. I'm just pleading for Buhari to do something about this INEC of the things. You can see what happened in Edo. The election was not in order. We saw how the APC manipulate in their own doing there. They should better revive the election that was taking place in Edo back because so many places were not even allowed them to vote. Why? And we are talking of 2019. It's going to be war. Buhari should notice of this. During Goodluck, he said that anything where a party won the election, they should not even do anything like Ururu. They should give it back to the owner. But why is it that APC, their own is different? Why are they putting us into calamity? That our children tomorrow, there will be something else. And again, they are in their own right for 4 years or 3 years. Please, they should be very careful. God is angry and is giving them time there to repent. God is angry, and when he starts his justice, I think it will be stupid on their faces. They should be very careful. This election, they should stop what they are doing. We see what happened in Edo. And Adam Soshemule, if he will remember, during his time, he was elected. No right, then cheat him. But later on, didn't give him his position. Did do it. Must APC rule the Edo?
Dora, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We don't get your point. One of the important things when you emphasize on top now say election now the action when we say people they choose those where they represent them. So make them allow them so that the will of the people then go be waiting they carry first. We get Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, they call us all the way from Yola. Oga Obiora, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Yeah, good morning to Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga.
I bet Chukwudi go take him easy with Nkubi. Don't be said because Nkubi does small signs, you could attack him like that.
No, big man.
No, Oga, don't worry. No, I can handle this. I can handle this.
Make you not like make you not allow Chukwudi to continue there. So,
I can handle it. Don't worry.
Yes, I handle it very well.
Thank you for showing that care.
So, according to today's discussion, Nkubi.
Yes.
When people know they do well at all. If you look at the Boko Haram issue, you'll find out that when Mr. President enter, he continue from where Goodluck stopped. That is why we achieve many goals in Boko Haram fighting today. Why can't Mr. President continue with that attitude he used with Boko Haram? Why should Mr. President destroying already building that is at the roofing stage and starting his own foundation, which he does not know when or how he will finish it? Now, Justice U.S. electoral reform is there. Everybody in this Nigeria is commenting on that reform, on that report. For Mr. President to implement it, now he went and bring a politician. Remember that the other man is a justice, is a learned personnel. This one now is a politician. Maybe now he's looking for something, one thing or the other. They now give him chairman. So no matter what, anything that this particular reform now will bring out will get elected. Because it's politician. And politicians always think of what will favor them. They don't think what will favor others. But look at that Justice Ibrahim Iwas. He's a justice. And he do his own free as a blind woman. So now, if he cancelled the other one, bring another one, Confederation report, he said he will not implement. He will bring his own. Before you know it, I tell you people, when somebody is believing in propaganda and pretense, it will not achieve a lot. But when you come out in reality and work, this administration does not want to give anything good report to past administration. Rather, they would like to do their own. And because they are coming with false pretense, they must fail because their plan is not good. If their plan is good, why should they waste the little money we have on creating another panel, another electronic reform panel? What we have already won, wasting our money. So, and that is why you are seeing inconclusive election. Up till now, Anambra election remain up till today. Nobody is talking of that one again, because PDP is out of, APC is out of that contest. PDP might get problem. It's like it's Africa alone. Why can't they swallow their shame and conduct that election? In fact, this administration is taking us back as far back as 1999. Which is very, very bad of this country.
Oga Obiora, very important point how you don't drop. So you talk, say, this government, somehow, the way that they behave, people like say, they carry us, go back. From Yola, we'll go the southeastern part of Nigeria, all the way to Enugu, collect this call. Good morning, Oga Chigozie. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I greet you, Oga Chigozie.
I greet you now.
Good morning.
Nigeria. We don't go back to 1984. Although I was very small then, I didn't know much about Nigeria then because I was 7 years then. But I knew when they overthrew the Buhari with the integrity man today, many people, they jubilate for street. At that time, where I know, Tarika, they run up and down the integrity man. I don't know how they go replace integrity man, people go to jubilate. But today, if you watch, they say good luck, Jonathan, about the worst government where we don't get. But if you watch all the good things where the bad man don't do, they don't commot. And first, immediately when they enter power, now freedom of information, they won't commot. That one confer Nigeria. Even it don't go second reading for either House of Rep or Senate House. I don't remember the one, but it don't go second reading. You come to this electoral reform. Good luck, but if you watch when our president go to talk, he go say PDP no do anything good. Now, he won't change them. Small thing where he go put, since where they do it. Even the Boko Haram issue where they say our president don't try. I no believe, because when good luck they there, and media this thing where they use. And good luck, immediately where good luck bought arms. It just they finish Boko Haram. But today, wait till you go here, if person talk say Boko Haram, even senators from one Borno state talk say Boko Haram see they shout on top of him. All these things where they see in about government where we just meet today. Electoral reform, the thing we put them for power. I can tell you, wait till you go here after these people do this thing now. You feel here say our electoral reform go be either 7 years for a tenure or 10 years. So, in fact, this government, I just decry the way they treat our people for Nigeria. No be say PDP or APC. Make them just rule us the way things supposed to do. All this, I beg Nigerians, make them know say this one PDP, APC. So all these army people, and then they spawn Nigeria. Make them come out, all of them. If they come for power, make them no vote for them. I beg. Now where they contribute my own.
Okay, Chigozie, I beg you use end this your contribution. The way you talk, say, make Nigerians begin to shine their eyes so that they go select the right set of people to lead us inside Obodo, Nigeria. We still discuss the issue of electoral reform and the arrangement when we say Oga Presido don't talk say he won't join body of people down to use do reform. We get another person on top of our telephone line. Oga Samuel. Oga Samuel, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Well done, my brother Chukwudi and my brother Nkubi.
Good morning, Samuel.
God bless you now.
And you too.
This kind of thing where they happen for country now, don't be small wahala. Because as it be so, we don't know how, if as it be they see the thing, waiting happen for those states, maybe waiting they see, they for those states, I see waiting happen. APC, waiting they do there, and my brother, maybe waiting mouth to go talk. See waiting they do for River State. River State today, they never do some election for some places there. The reason be say if you don't go their way, they no go accept her. If they okay, where other people win, they don't go win. When they win, then they go say okay. When they go do their rigging, win. Other people now they do rigging. They know they do rigging. This kind of thing no go good. No? And Nkubi and Chukwudi, you know see how they manage to how the army full those states and police. Over 40,000 people if you add civil defense and everything. How we go manage the 2019 election? It's sure that we will hold election for 2019 if we continue like this. Make my help us tell these people, though. The thing don't they spoil. Spoil so they don't. When they even complain, say Jonathan, they carry people go. Is it now not be Ekiti? Where they say they carry people go Ekiti for Ekiti election. They carry soldier. They militarize the whole place. Now they come with this say it will change. It no change. What will they see? Say the number they double. How if 40,000 go for those states? How if they want to do for 10 states or for the whole 36 states? How you go come be now?
A very important question, and you they ask so, Oga Samuel, as it get to do with the way when we say we they put security for election. Now do or die. Now something where we say we must do to use ensure say we'll get free and fair election by force. But we'll go this break, come back. When we come back from this break, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with the Electoral and Constitutional Reform Committee when Oga Presido don't put together. No go anywhere now, still As E Dey Hot. Will they come back?
Yes, welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot, and what we still discuss, we look the Electoral Reform Committee where Oga Presido set under the leadership of Ken Nnamani. And they also get a reaction, and going by within a lot of our callers they talk. Say, look, the issue of reform, where this reform go head to? Make it no go just be seen as something we say in the end, we do go see something come out of it, because make also bear in mind, say we get previous reforms under two different people. That is Oga this thing, Oga Justice Uwais and Kutigi. Where we say they never even speak talks. Okay, these ones were even there available. What will they do about it? Make we even try, make we give and test, make we see how it will take effect. The effective. I will also see the leadership of Oga Tahiru Jega as INEC chairman in the last government. We see how effective this thing has taken that office. Why will we continue for that same system? All this is not things where they talk and them. We'll still collecting our calls. And Chukwudi still studios, and the matter is still very, very hot. So Chukwudi, we don't really get different and diverse opinion based on this. But you're going to say virtually all the opinions still they boil down on almost the same thing. Because for me, as I said earlier, it goes beyond just setting up committees to make the committee go do it, go handle a particular issue. The issue is, we have an already established system. We say, make we follow up that system. If we follow up that system, make we even give that particular thing a try. We get previous ones they don't put down. Make we give those ones a try. If not gonna work, then. But with this one, we say we set up another committee. Just like say we still go back to the past. We have a caller right now. Oga Polycarp, good morning. Oga Polycarp, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Would agree to Oga Polycarp?
Our people talk and say the first steps of a bad dancer will show you whether the first steps of a dancer will show whether he deserves to be dance or not. The dance so far where the first steps where Boint don't show us that he's not going to be a good leader. Because what they have been doing now has not justified the vote where they voted for him. I didn't vote for him. I voted for PDP, no matter whatever happens. All these committees will not get us anywhere. But you cannot implement the ones that have been set up before. Because that is one thing wrong in Nigeria. You will set up these committees, but implement what they said up to now. Even the so-called constitutional conference, everything what they do there, not put up a trash can. They set up another committee. This one now, and aware of. I'm maybe sorry that Ken man is want to solve his name by putting himself in that kind of nonsense. Because the ones we don't do for don't get us anywhere. So Boint should be very careful. Because he's leading us nowhere with what is going on. You know, they know what they are doing in APC. That is why they canceled the first time they wanted to do election for those states. So that they can prepare their plan, and they have succeeded. I think they are not happy. Because from right of transaction, people wait there for polling booths, not be the thing where because they give them their mind, they go not for and the talk and say that you should not accept any results unless the one you announce on air. So it's very unfortunate. I thank God for that because whatever happens, posterity will still continue to remember him. Being the person who conducted one of the best elections after Moses' election. So whatever happens, Nigeria must survive. And then one day he will leave that place. Thank you all. Thank you very much,
Oga Polika, for that reaction to what we talk about today. The thing is, time don't also don't retrieve. We say Nigerians supposed to open our eyes to certain things. It gets this way we say we go beyond just waiting they play out now. Because if at this stage under this government we don't see, I'm not talking the government know they try, but then we also don't get issues where we say it don't they spring up where we say this government supposed to also they pay for deep attention to. Very and true. Nigerians as we day, if we just leave, if we leave the responsibility to government alone, or we talk say government they try, yet we're not getting ourselves involved. You just like say we don't even know, we never did serious at all to say we won't do it, and we won't get ourselves in trying to also rescue our nation out of any problem we did. Okay, look at the cause we've had. Look at the different angles where people bring up. Make now raising those angles. Also ask ourselves, if this thing turn out this way, say go favor us in the long run. We get okay, the callers from Calabar. Good morning, Ogoke. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga, okay?
I telephone now.
We agree to Jare.
Make a contribute more.
Yeah.
You see, our leaders are gradually succeeding in creating state of fear in Nigeria. Hello?
Would they hear?
Yeah, they are gradually creating that because normally, election no be war. Election is something we be saying, your power, something we one vote person, we go lead you. There be somebody who go mislead you. But waiting they happen for Nigeria today, another thing entirely. I think it don't reach when Nigeria go understand say now because say we ourselves we know they vote the right person. That's right. Things are not right in Nigeria today. Because when we start to get elected ones, the one we truly come out our heart both in is when we start having a good result in Nigeria. It's all about inconclusive whatever we're having in Nigeria now. No more free and fair election. No more that at the end of the election, no soul were lost, no hair were lost, or something like that. It's all about this one is injured, this they killed, blah blah blah. You know, no, it's not. I don't think it's the right way. It's not the right channel. Let we government, we leaders come out, make it so that it will still remain the normal election, free and fair, and at the end of the day, we still thank God that no soul or no head lost. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ogoke.
Very, very true.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this important contribution. We get Oga Samuel on top of our telephone line. Oga Samuel, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Samuel.
Yeah.
Good day.
I beg, bring down the volume of your television, I beg.
Yeah, my brother Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning to you all.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Yes. I want to say something concerning this Edo election and General Muhammadu Buhari's regime.
Okay.
Yes. As at 1984, I was in secondary school. I was in Form 3. And I was a boarding student. When this man came to power, at that time, he destroyed the whole system of education in Nigeria. At that time, let me tell you now, rice disappear, bread disappear. Every kind of food that you know in Nigeria disappeared. Not until when Babangida came and drive him away in 1985. So, the issue of Buhari, some people are saying that he's a man of integrity, man of this or man of that. Me, I have never seen anybody, since I was born, I have never seen anybody taking over power. Whenever you are in power, people are hungry. Many people will die. If I tell you the number of Nigerians that have died today because of hunger and starvation, as a result of bad governance, you came to power. You said PDP did not do anything right, that you are there to change. What have you changed? Nothing. Instead, you have brought hunger and starvation into Nigeria. As of today, about 27 million Nigerians have lost their jobs. 27 million Nigerians have lost their jobs. So what are we saying? The Edo election, for God's sake, a whole 7 communities in Edo State, you deprive them their right to vote for the candidate of their choice. Now you went and did the election and vote on their behalf. You took the electoral material to Waterside. These people, these communities went there and caught you there to printing on their behalf. And you said there was free and fair election. And you say you want to conduct free and fair election. And you yourself as the president is a product of free and fair election. Now, let me tell you, Buhari came to power with a particular agenda in his mind. Buhari did not come to work for the interests of Nigerians. Rather, he came to destroy Nigeria.
Oga Samuel.
And my general advice to General Muhammadu Buhari is that he should look at Nigerians first. Put Nigerians in his mind first before he
Oga Samuel. Oga Samuel.
Yes.
You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
I want to ask you this important question. You talk say from wetin you don see, say Oga Presido, he no come to work for the interest of Nigerians. But me and you and every other person for Nigeria agree say one of the problems we dey face for this country na corruption, and corruption dey responsible for wetin the condition we dey today. As this Presido talk say in dey fight corruption, you don't think say na something when dey in the interest of Nigerians?
Oga Samuel, is still there?
I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
You hear the question where Chukwudi ask?
I hear the question where Chukwudi ask. Yes. Chukwudi, make I reply you. You see, my brother, make I tell you now one story.
Okay.
Somebody took over from Shagari and arms funds was allocated to him. Kitchen knife, that person did not buy. Where did the money went to? Where did the money went to? Babangida took over, stole the whole money in Nigeria. Abacha took over, stole the whole money in Nigeria. Abdul Salam within 1 year swept the whole account of Nigeria. But the man said he's fighting corruption. Instead, what he's looking at, he's attacking Goodluck Jonathan. Goodluck Jonathan's wife. He's attacking Goodluck Jonathan's wife, who only barely had less than $10 million in her account. For God's sake. And they have forgotten that this woman was a wife of a deputy governor, a wife of a governor, a wife of a vice president, a wife of a president. President for 6 years, deputy governor, for God's sake. And you say that this woman cannot save that money, and the money is meant for her medical care. For God's sake, every year, medical care.
Oga Samuel.
So, and somebody said he's fighting corruption. For God's sake, if he's fighting corruption, let him table the one.
Oga Samuel.
Oga Samuel. Let Babangida bring his own.
We don't get your point.
Don't bring his own. Let Abacha, even though, because Abacha is there today, they are attacking Abacha. That is why, because Abacha is there, that's why they are attacking him.
Samuel, thank you very, very much for this contribution. We don't drop down. We got another caller right now. Good morning. Welcome to AS E DEY HOT. Okay.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, we hear you.
Good morning, Nkubi and
Good morning, okay.
You see, you don't go blame that man. They pay me as well. Because this thing at the same thing will happen. And see where change person where they...
Okay, I beg. Help us reduce the volume of your television, I beg.
Person will change INET or where they there. Put it on. You're not supposed to know anything about for the election. And they say free and fair. I don't get that before. I don't get them before. More they talk ourselves, more they tell ourselves the truth. This man, this is where they do committee not to share money, how they will take share the money. You go here tomorrow now say that 1 point something or 10 billion, now they do this way, nothing that they do. The election of the thing where they talk say, make people pick the right, they go green, nobody then go talk with go happen last.
But okay, you don't believe say, with the former Senate president, a man of integrity, the person when we say when he even did here as Senate president, we see say things go well. You don't think say somehow good thing if it come out from this arrangement?
What be integrity? That don't the day where they take like what would they watch the election last year as this South man come and one fight up. Now don't tell us say waiting happen there now. We there they watch TV. You know what thing they happen? Man, this thing we know what thing they happen now. You just everybody they fear to come and come talk.
Okay, you don't talk your mind as you get to do with this particular issue. You don't really talk and say, based on the way when we say things they happen, when we say, it be like saying, them, and we kind of arrangement, say you don't trust this particular arrangement. We will go this break. When we go the break, come back, we go step up our discussion to final level and wrapping up arrangement. Don't go anywhere. Now still AS E DEY HOT. Will they come back? Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT, on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they inside the border of the world, Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV. You can watch us anywhere when you day, especially those of you that when they're outside Nigeria. And if you go online, www.wazobiatv.tv /, that is the slash where they go front, /live, and you're going to see us live and direct. Today on top of AS E DEY HOT, we discuss Electoral Reform Committee. Now West have been on point. This one now because of say Oga Presido don't carry 24 people when sabi well as it get to do with election inside the border Nigeria and how we feel perfect up. Make them come together, form committee to look into how we will take free arrangement election the day free and fair inside Obodo Nigeria. Some people don't come and come and say we really do not need this. Say some other things we don't see for the past. Don't see say we fit do election well. Why it be say in just 1 year after we do election for 2015 when we say people agree say they free and fair. So that it even produce opposition to enter inside government. The major will take over from the party when we say on the rule for 16 years. Say they very, very obvious. Say we fit do things well. But it just be like say somehow. Now we they use our hand, they spoil them. They call they talk say the other reforms we don't talk about before. The other ones we don't even arrange. Maybe they even do that one first rather than this new one at all. And when they take calls and plenty Nigerians they come and they talk say the way when election they happen inside this country, it be like say now we and them kind of arrangement. Today, Nkubi join me with one voice. Although for the past 6 months, he know they join me because the thing don't hit them, reach the level where we say, you know, even conflict when they talk with another mouth, other than the way we say every Nigerian they talk about. But they use one eye, they look me. We they talk the thing where everyone know. No, be what everybody know. Why you say you want to talk on that thing? No, you want to talk on that thing. You want to talk on that thing?
Well, Nigerians, we don't see them.
They bring voice down, they sound like a good person, preacher.
One majority will also say make we do collectively as Nigerians, now to also do it in. Fine, they also talk to the 24-man committee to do it into at least look into the electoral reform, this thing. No waiting that they will fit bring into RAM or probably commot. But the thing we say, at this point, just as Chukwudi talk, with reactions of people, no, written we really need be this because we get some out. We don't get some already committee with their own plans already. Why not implement that one? But 1 million to I go still want to be see. Make we just sit down, wait. Make we see the result of this committee. then we go feed the as Nigerians. Okay, this one somehow they fair. This one somehow we no go accept this one and all that. So now just waiting, I will tell Nigerians, make we do it, make we relax and wait. We got a caller right away. They call us from Ikoyi. Good morning.
We got Friday.
Friday. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Ezugwu and Nkubi.
Good morning,
yeah,
Friday.
Nkubi, I like you, my brother, and God will bless you now.
Thank you very much.
We don't really happen what is happening in our election in Nigeria. I agree with that, the first caller that called, the second caller.
Yeah.
Everything I say is true. I don't even know whether we are going front or we are going back. I don't even know. So please, look in our efforts like that. I like in our program.
Thank you very much, Oga Friday. And our responsibility to also do it, to inform Nigerians on any happenings that happen for Bodo Nigeria. That is why we get this platform. So that at least collectively, just as they already talk, it is now the only platform we say we could give now that leverage, that freedom to do it and to talk within their own mind as now one talker. Because we also believe say government they hear us, then they hear what they talk. And by the time we collectively pour down our voices, see we do we want to make our country go. Then at least I go feel okay. These people say they don't the way the demand don't they consistent. For that reason, make we know what we go do it, make we know as we take address their matter. So thank you very much for the call.
Very, very true. We appreciate the fact. Say plenty Nigerians then they react to this particular issue. And like what Nkubi don't talk, they're not be just for us to just talk. We suppose they match our talk with action. And matching our talk with action in this particular regard or in anything when they affect us inside of Bodo Nigeria. Now, if collectively as a people, all of us they sit down, they join ideas. Take for example, you come from different parts of Nigeria. Your friend come from different parts of Nigeria. But what did they unite us? Now the fact say some kind of bad things what they happen for this country, all of us they suffer them. If insecurity na problem, now everybody go face them. If poverty na problem, now everybody they face them. If unemployment na problem, now everybody they face them. If bad roads, if bad education, if bad healthcare system na problem, now everybody go they face them. So all of us suppose they come and they talk say this bad we won't correct and won't make sure say the thing they right. Our final caller on top of AS E DEY HOT. Just use your contribution. Take a look our telephone for us. Good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good to
meet you.
My name is Andrew.
Okay,
Andrew. I greet you.
Mr. Chukwudi.
I greet you, Andrew.
I saw you last night with the Nedu program.
Okay.
You said part of this thing you are discussing now, briefly. In fact, what is happening in Nigeria, to my own understanding and from my own view, I see that man as a sadist and he came for revenge from the previous election before he entered this one. He is fighting corruption and people are dying. Now, Chukwudi and Nkubi, you are a father, you are fathers. Now you want to correct your children and you kill them with hunger. What kind of corruption are you fighting? To me, he's the most corrupt person in this because people are dying. And these people, they call themselves leaders. It is a kind of club. Take your own, let me take my own. Then corruption, they have never go to people who are called, like what the other man has said about 2-3 persons ago. Then the people that are like that collected our money, did they go for them? It's because Abacha is late. They are now fighting corruption. You don't look at me. Where is the money? What is the effect of the money in Nigeria?
So, a very, very important question. I need to ask Oga Andrew. But because of time, we will just padlock our discussion on top of where you talk. I know so you get plenty things to talk because even talk say now from some of the points where you carry last night, now you won't join with this one. But like we don't talk, we talk say every Nigerian suppose they contribute to issues where we say they affect all of us inside of Nigeria. If we look up like say no be our business, then whose business it be? We don't get any other country except Nigeria. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. Nkubi.
Yes, now bye bye. Till tomorrow we'll come again.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.